In this video, I'll talk about a specific heat capacity. To explain this one, I have chosen an example. So in this case, aluminum has a specific heat capacity. The value is 900 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius. So when this information is given, now you have to find out how much energy you have to supply to change the 5 kilogram of aluminum from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. So you have to heat aluminum from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and the mass is given, that is 5 kilogram, and a specific heat capacity is given. Let's try to explain first what does this term mean. Okay, 900 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius. What does this mean? So let me write down this one. 900 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius. This means if you have 1 kilogram of aluminum, 1 kilogram of aluminum, and then when you change the temperature by 1 degree Celsius, the amount of energy that is needed will be 900 joule. That's what we call a specific heat capacity. Again, a specific heat capacity means in order to change the temperature of 1 kilogram of the substance by 1 degree Celsius, the amount of energy required is the specific heat capacity. So now let's try to use this idea to solve the problem. So the given informations are a specific heat capacity, that is 900 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius, and we have to find out how much energy is needed. The mass is given 5 kilogram. The initial temperature is given 20 degrees Celsius, and the final temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, and we have to find out the amount of energy. So the formula in this case is this formula here. Q is equal to mc the delta T. What does this delta T here means? This means the change in temperature. So I can write down this change in temperature, TF, that's the final temperature, minus initial temperature, that will be the change in temperature. Q, we have to solve for it. The mass is given, the mass is 5 kilogram. A specific heat capacity is given, that is 900 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius is given, and the delta F is also given. So the final temperature is 30, initial temperature is 20. If you do the math, you will get 45,000 joule. Usually we write these numbers in terms of kilojoule, and that will be 45 kilojoule. Okay, so that's how you calculate how much energy will be required to change the temperature of a substance by a certain degree. All information we need is a specific heat capacity. So this term, a specific heat capacity tells you how much energy you will need in order to change the temperature of a substance by a certain degree. The more this number is, that means the more will be the energy required to change the temperature. So this is it from this video. If you have any question and comments, please write down in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.